Using Ekonava is quite easy. It includes 4 general steps. My name is Austine Okongo. I'm a full stack developer in Kenya and Africa in general. You can upload an element-based document, or you can decide to include multiple elements to be assessed at the same time. These elements include policy, organization, risk, grievances, just to mention a few. The second step is AI analyzing the document. We're using open AI models to ensure the accuracy of the results. Once the AI has provided results, the client is able to proofread the results. The results contain a score of 0 to 5, with 0 being ESG implementation not started and 5 being an excellent score. Finally, the fourth step includes the tracking of progress. So you are able to upload the same document multiple times or different documents at the same time to be able to know with time how you have improved on your ESG due diligence.